Jai Shri Krishna everyone, and welcome to Glamorous with Debs. And today I have treated you all with this special gesture because Janmashtami is knocking at the door. Yes, it is on 11th of August and we all are very excited, I'm sure. Today's video is obviously going to be on Janmashtami special, and before beginning the video I'll be doing a ice massage on my face to keep my makeup long lasting for a very long time, and it is also a natural toner, and also it helps to minimize your pores in a natural way. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So to begin with, I'll be rubbing ice on my face first to make my makeup long lasting as well as to minimize my pores all over my face. And ice is also known as a natural toner, and after rubbing this ice I'll be waiting for 2 minutes to dry it up or in a semi-dry form, and then I can wipe my face and start my makeup. So I have finished applying ice all over my face. So I'm back after 2 minutes and you can see how radiant and poreless my skin is looking right now. So now I'll be using this Biotique Morning Nectar moisturizer plus primer, and it works both for me as a moisturizer as well as a primer, but if you use any other primer you can go for that. It's from Biotique, so natural. So this much is enough, and since Biotique is 100% natural and made out of only natural ingredients, so it's trustworthy equally, especially for oily and sensitive skin people like us. But also here I'm not applying any sunscreen because I'm not going out, but if you are going out or need to go out on Janmashtami, then you should apply sunscreen because it's very necessary. I'm massaging the product all over my face to increase the blood circulation as well as to get the product absorbed into my skin, which is very important, and it really gives me a very smooth and natural and smooth makeup base. So I'm very happy with this product. So after applying primer or moisturizer or both, you can wait for 2 minutes if you have time, so that your skin gets time to absorb the product. But if you don't have time, you can easily go for makeup immediately, but since I have time, I'll be waiting for 2 minutes and then get back with the makeup. So 2 minutes is over, and now I'll be going with my foundation, Maybelline Poreless Foundation, and today I'll be using a damp beauty blender for a more natural look. This much product will be fine, and now I'll be blending it with my fingers to warm it up, and then we'll be applying with the beauty blender. As you know, damp beauty blenders absorb less products than usually dry beauty blenders does, and also it gives a more natural and flawless finish. But if you are not comfortable with raw ice applying on your face, then you can also use a cold ice pad. And now I'll be using Maybelline concealer, only a little bit. I don't think I require it much because I don't have that much problem on skin, and also for you all, taking care of the skin video is the most important task. I'll link my skincare video in the description box, so do check out because all the products used are only homemade products. Now I'll be blending it first with my fingers and then with the beauty blender. You can see the difference, and I'll do the same with my other side. So my base is done, and now I'll move to the eyebrow part. So I'll be brushing out the eyebrows with a spoolie brush nicely. Now I'll be using this eyebrow powder in the color black, and with an angular brush I'll be filling in the gaps of my eyebrows light-handedly in the front. So the gaps are filled in, and you can see the difference. I'll be doing the same with my another eyebrow. After eyebrows, now I'll move to the baking part. So we'll be baking our oily areas with the help of a loose powder. I'm using Lakme rose powder, and with the help of a fluffy brush we'll do the baking. So we'll be dabbing the top of the brush lightly and dust off the excess product lightly under the eyes. And then I'll be dusting off the excess product all over my face so that it doesn't get wasted, and also the face gets a matte finish, and also my neck. We should never neglect our neck. Now for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this light transition shade all over my eyelids so that other colors comes out more bright. All over the eyelid. It's just a transition shade, so it's close to my skin tone, so it won't be seen in the camera. Right. Transition is done, and now I'll be moving with the champagne brown color shade all over my eyelids, and it's a bit of shimmery shade, so I'm going to use it all over the lid. See, it's such a nice and subtle shade with a little bit shimmers in it. I just love this. Perfect shade for any occasion or a night party. I must admit that this is the ultimate champagne shade, and I'm in love with this. Now I'll be using kajal only on my lower lash line. So I have applied kajal only on my lower lash line, and now I'll be moving towards the eyeliner part. I'll be using this gel eyeliner with the help of a eyeliner brush. I'll be drawing a pretty thick line because I want a really simple yet stunning eye look. Also a little bit under my eyes. Nice. I'll be drawing the same line on my other eyes. So I'm done with the eyeliner, and This can be the final eye look, but just to give a little bit twist to this look, I'll be doing a trick. So I'll be using this black eyeshadow from this palette, and just a little bit, and starting from the end of the eyeliner, I'll be drawing a little angle and blend it out. I'm doing this trick so that the look can be more gorgeous, as this champagne shade and this black shade, they complement each other. Blend it until it gets totally blended into the shade, but stick to half of your eyes, only the outer corner. So this side is fully blended, and this is the look, and this is the trick I was talking about. And I'm going to do the same with my another eye. Blend and blend until you are satisfied with the blending. I'm done with the eyes, and now I'll be just highlighting my brow bones. So I'll be taking this lightest shade from this palette and just apply it over my brow bones to highlight. And once you highlight the brow bones, your eyes also gets highlighted automatically, so that's why highlighting the brow bones is very necessary. And I'll be doing the same with my other eyebrows. And now I'll be dusting off the excess powders from under my eyes, around my lips. Now I'll be applying this brown eyeshadow just under my waterline to make my eyes look much bigger and give them a bit of dimension, just close to my lower lash line. So as you can see, it gives a depth to your eyes. This is the difference, and I'm going to do the same with my other eyelash also. Okay, so I'm done with this, and now I'll be moving to my mascara, which is the last part. I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and as you know, I am not comfortable with falsies, but if you are comfortable with them, please use it. I'll be using these 2 coats of this mascara, both my upper and lower lash line. I'm using a wiggling motion so that I can get the maximum product and also a falsies effect. So I'm done with the mascara, so let's move on to the lipstick part. First, I'll be lining my lips with the same shade as my lipstick. This is a light pink shade. So I'll be lining my lips. Now I'll be using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lip Color in the shade Blush Book, and I'll just dabbing the lipstick around my lips. This is a super light pink shade and will go with every outfit. It's a perfect natural day shade, and it's superb matte. So, and I love matte, but if you love lip glosses or something, you can either use a shimmery lipstick or a lip gloss with this eye look. Now I'll be using this light blush lightly over my cheekbones, smile and dab. Pretty good light pink shade, and I'll be going light on my blush because already the eyes are quite dramatic. Now I'll be using Nykaa Glitterati highlighter. I'll mix this both the shades and dust off the excess product because I don't want a much glittery look today. I want a very subtle glow, so I'll be just dabbing over my cheekbones. Yeah, this much is enough, I guess. I'll be doing the same with the other cheekbone. Little bit over my chin, the cupid's bow. Yeah. And the bridge of my nose to make it look sharper, and my forehead. Also I'll be using this champagne shade with my pinky finger. Take some highlighter on the finger and then apply in the inner corner of my eyes to make it look more wide open and more dramatic. So it is best to apply with the finger, and I'll do the same with the other eye. So this is the final look, and now time for accessories. So I'll be putting a bindi. Yeah. You can also make the same black bindi with the help of our eyeliner, but since it's summer and I sweat a lot, so I didn't think it will be right for me. Also, one more thing I really wanted to show you all, which is this earring. You can see this oxidized earring, which is gifted to me by my cousin's sister. I just love her choice. As you can see here, Kanha ji is playing bansuri, so what better can be a accessory for Janmashtami. I'm just obsessed with this earring. Wow. Since it was a gift to me, so I cannot share with you the exact price of this. Just changes the entire look. So this is the final look. अब राधा बुलाए और कृष्ण ना आए, असंभव है. So hope you have liked my today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my videos, and do let me know if you are liking my videos, and also a happy Janmashtami in advance, and hope you all will enjoy the best. And please do stay home, stay safe and take precautions. And also, if you have any specific queries or requests, then don't forget to comment in the comment section below, or you can also DM me on Instagram, or you can send me a mail on my specific mail ID. Both are mentioned in the description box below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you have tried this look, then let me know what compliments you have got for this look. So today it's a wrap up, and we'll see you in my next video. Up to then, say प्रेम से बोलिए राधे राधे.